Hi, welcome to Cobwebs and Cords. My name is Jan, and today I am excited to share with you what is inside this rattly box. It's actually not broken. Bought it off Amazon. It is a Vietnamese coffee press. Let's get started. So what we're going to do today is we're going to open this up, see what it looks like, let you know how much it was, actually make the coffee, and do a quick little taste test to see, if it's something that I would enjoy and if I think that you would enjoy it. All right. Got this off of Amazon. Yeah, a little bit of rattle, but it's okay. I paid $13.70 Canadian for this, so that's about $10 American. So I did open it up before. It was weirdly just used some saran wrap to kind of keep everything together. This here brand is Dalaland. And what you get with a Vietnamese coffee press is you get this here little base, which will go over top of your coffee cup like that. Then you get the little cup filter. So this is where the water is going to actually go. So we're going to put the coffee in there. This goes down, acts as a press. Then the water goes in. And then this just keeps it warm, keeps it closed. So the interesting thing that I found when I was looking up the Vietnamese coffee is that you use sweetened condensed milk. And I don't know, who doesn't like sweetened condensed milk? So we're gonna follow the directions exactly, and it says to take about 1/3 of an inch of condensed milk into the bottom of the coffee cup. So, coffee cup. This here one has a nice pull tab. Ooh, look at that. Hopefully not spill this. We're gonna do, what did it say? 1/3 of an inch. This glass is a little wonky looking. Let's just see where we can get it here. Yikes, stop, stop, stop. Oh, this stuff's sticky. Put this on here. We put this on here. And it says to use, place 3 rounded teaspoons of coffee. So I just ground up this coffee into a medium grind, which is what it says. It talks about using Vietnamese coffee. However, I didn't have that, so I'm just using local coffee that's done right here in our area. As well as I love to reuse different containers, so. Well, now that spoon is there. Okay, we're gonna do this. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Okay, so now that we have it in there, it says to take about a tablespoon of water to wet the grinds down. I'm gonna say about that much. Let them down. Then we take this. And we wanna stomp it down. Now this is all aluminum. The black has been, of course, powder coated. Now the next step, it says, is to add some water, but just about half fill it. It's about half full. Make sure that's down tight. Hey, it's happening, it's doing it. Look at that. Okay, and then it says, fill it to the top. And we're gonna put this cover over top of it. So you can see it just kind of trickles out, it drips out. It's not, can you see that? It's like going drip, 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 drip. Keep the lid on to keep everything hot. That smells good. So I typically do like tea, but I also like coffee, and I love the different ways that you can brew coffee and tea, and you know, the different ways that people around the world have done these beverages. I find that very interesting. We need some ice, so 1 second. Have our glass of ice. Let's check on this. Looks like it's done. Looks like it's pretty filled up there. So I guess we can use this bottom to set that in so that we don't get things all dirty. Now, we stir this hot coffee and the sweetened condensed milk. Look at that. Then we're going to actually take the hot coffee and we're going to pour it into these iced, I guess a wine glass, because that's all I could find. Take what you can get. Okay, set that out of the way. Got ourselves a nice stainless steel straw. Let's give this a mix. I wonder if there's something scientific about how you're supposed to stir. Do you stir one way and then the other? How do you guys stir? Well, I think that looks pretty great, actually. I'd love to know if you guys have actually tried this before and what you guys thought. Let's see. I'm not the best taste tester, but we'll give it a go. Well, where has this been my whole life? It's not like overly sweet how some iced coffees are. I find some of them are just too sweet, almost artificial. And it's not too creamy like some of them are. This is perfect. The coffee's not bitter. That is delightful. I would highly recommend this. Definitely try this out. And actually, I was expecting that this was going to take a long time, like go watch a movie long time, and maybe I did it incorrectly. I'll try it a couple more times and I'll leave a comment down below if I did it incorrectly. But I followed the directions and it seems to have worked, and I really enjoyed it. I would definitely recommend this. This is not that expensive. It's reusable. You don't have to buy anything else with it. It's just a little bit of cleaning. So this comes back out. You get rid of those grinds and wash it up and you're ready to go again. There's no more investment for this. Like, you don't have the filters or anything like that. Get yourself a little bit of sweetened condensed milk. I should have tasted it warm. What was I thinking? I bet you it would have been good warm too. Cold is delightful though. Yep. That is wonderful. I would drink this all the time. Which is maybe a bad thing, but I don't know. Nope. It's very good. Highly recommend this. So I will leave the links down below if you're interested in any of this. I think that when I looked online, it was sold out, but I'm sure if you search Vietnamese coffee maker, coffee press, Vietnamese coffee press, you'll find it. I would love to know if there's anything, if you have any questions about this, if you've already used it, leave me a comment down below. I would be super excited if you hit the subscribe button and follow along. I have been enjoying making videos and finding out new things for myself. I like doing different research things and understanding things, and what better way in life than to share things and learn and grow together. So hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And until next time, take care. I should see if Jeanette wants some. I bet she'd like this. Bye.